quiz. Ngayon naman pakinggan na natin ang komento ng nag-iisang Jurado, Rufa May Quinto.
Yes, good afternoon. Muntik na ako mag-nosebleed, kaka-English ha. At saka nagtataka ako, ano ba yan, foil? Ano yung nandito mo?
Ano yan?
Ano po siya? Silver grills po.
Talagang pinalagay mo yan, yung ipin?
Yes po.
Hindi yan foil.
Hindi ba? Hindi ba?
Oo, sana foil. Hindi, gusto ko lang kasi, di ba ginugel ko na nga yung meaning ng kaloka, kaloka-like. Ngayon,
Rufa May,
okay
kailangan
lang.
daw English kasi.
Sige.
Ano
The
yung
meaning of judge. Or jurado
judge,
in
okay.
Tagalog. Okay?
What's the
A
meaning of
group
judge?
of persons chosen to decide in the law of court. Yes. And they deliberately, before presenting their decision to the court, jurado, translated to English as jury.
Yun pala yun.
Ay, nag-research talaga ako. Oh.
Galing mo.
Kasi hindi nyo binigay yung password. Ang Wi-Fi. Oh. Buti na lang,
Sorry.
nag-review ako.
Marami kasi nung gumagamit.
Yes, oo nga. At saka siyempre, teka lang, pwede ba mag-promote?
Oh,
Pwede,
wow.
pwede. Mujige, kasi kanina may Korean. So, Mujige po, sa October 9 in all SM Cinemas, exclusive po yan, starring Kim Jisoo, Ryrie, and Alexa Ilacad, Direk Randolph Longhas. Ayan. Yung nag-direct sa amin sa Last One Laughing, tsaka sa Comedy Island. Yon. So, palabas na yun sa October 9.
Luck and congratulations.
Thank you.
Direk Randolph.
Yes, and I'd like to thank all the Madlang people for trending myself every day. Yes. And to the USA family and friends, fans, that's all. Pero you know what? You don't look like Chris Brown.
Really?
Sino ba kamukha niya?
I don't know.
You don't know? Not even a little bit?
No.
Wiki, meron naman.
But,
Wiki.
meron. Pag nakaganon. Ayun, kasi,
Paano pag naka...
ganon. Tingnan mo yung picture, the picture.
Kasi ganon yung
Tsaka
picture
yung leather yan patent leather yata yung damit. But the outfit is for workout. Not for concert.
At least
Practice pa lang eh.
same color.
Same color.
Yes.
Malapit na po.
Practice pa lang kasi ito.
How about the hair? The
The
hairdo?
hair is that to pay or what? No.
It's original.
It's
Yeah,
original.
it's original, yeah.
So how did you color? Dye? You dye yourself?
Yeah,
Buhay pa siya, buhay pa.
one of my
dye, dye.
hair dye, bleach.
Bleach niya. Bleach mo?
Yeah, with the help of my homie.
With who's your homie?
Taga dun po sa amin.
Yeah.
Marunong ka pala
Tagalog. Pala mag-Tagalog. Ikaw talaga,
Konti.
Bong, pinapahirapan mo kami.
I'm so sorry.
Ayun. So, congratulations in advance. Yun lang. Meron pa ba dapat sabihin?
Back to you guys.
Back to you.
Maraming